guys know what I realized? I get bored fast, my bro. Ik raak gauw boring. For real, I get bored fast. That's why I don't like staying at a job for too long. I get bored fast for real. Like if I'm in a relationship that's boring me out, I'm gonna leave. You can be how beautiful or how rich or have what or is what, have what type of bum. I'm gonna if I get bored, I'm gonna leave. Doesn't matter what you have. I'm gonna leave. I don't know if it's the Gemini spirit that I have or I get bored fast. Even if I'm in a job for too long and I get bored at that job, I'm gonna leave. It doesn't matter if I'm gonna be broke or if I'm gonna be starving. If I get bored, I'm gonna leave. That's why I'm still doing comedy for 10, 15 years because comedy has never bored me. It's all never been a dull moment, always entertained me. I've been doing comedy for 15 years. I've never